What's going on, guys? Shane, aka Musty Yeti here. I hope you're all doing great. Today's going to be a very quick first impressions video. I just got in the mail less than 24 hours ago the Tyrant CNC T-COMP for your Glock series of pistols. Now again, like I said, it's just a first impression video. I haven't shot it yet. I simply got this thing early enough to do the install video for Tyrant Designs for their website. So if you guys know YouTube, I can't show you how easy it is to install this thing, and it is very easy and very quick. I can't show you that on here because it's gunsmithing. So if you guys want to see how this installs, look me up on Gunstreamer, Musty Yeti there too. You'll find me, you'll find the video. Or if you go to Tyrant Designs website, you'll see this install video on their website to show you guys how to install it. So again, you can find it in a couple places, but it's very easy to install. Anyone can do it. Tyrant Designs provides you everything you need. Speaking of what they provide you, I should say what comes in the box, just so you guys know. So inside the box, you do get the T-COMP itself, the body. You get the T-nut, the inner portion of the T-COMP. You get the wrench, the tool to tighten it down. And you also get a bunch of O-rings. Now those O-rings come in two sizes, a thicker diameter and a thinner diameter. Now the way it works is the thicker diameter goes in your barrel and the thinner diameter will go on the T-nut itself. Now I was told that those O-rings should last you a year, but I'm guessing the average shooter it'll last you far longer than that. But either way, they got you covered for at least a year, if not more, and O-rings are available anywhere on the planet, so you can easily pick them up if you do need more. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up real quick. Hopefully I'm just rolling in a whole bunch of B-roll as I'm babbling here. But I keep saying it, that Tyrant Designs deserves close-ups because their actual design and machine work is fantastic. It is so refreshing to see a T-COMP that is not a square with a couple of holes cut out of it. Tyrant Designs took their time, made something different looking, but it's still going to be functional. So as you guys can see, hopefully in the close-ups, there are some really good lines in this thing. The machine work is fantastic. There isn't a tool mark in sight. All the corners and edges are chamfered. There's not a single sharp edge anywhere. It is a perfectly designed and machined comp. And I should also say, you guys probably noticed it in the close-up, that my portholes, I guess you'd say, on the T-nut aren't 100% timed evenly with the slide. And what's nice about this comp, the Tyrant Designs took their time to actually think about, is you don't have to have this thing timed a certain way. You guys got to think about kind of how escaping gases work. You fire a shot, any gases that's expelled out of those ports, they're going to try to find the easiest and quickest route out of this closed box, and that only leaves it the top ports and the side ports. So even the open machine portholes of the T-nut on the inside, the bottom here, the gas is going to come out, it's going to hit the bottom of the body, find its way around, and eject out of the open portholes on the main black T-COMP body. I hope that makes sense. So no matter how you have this thing timed or installed, it's still going to function the same. So that's really cool that they thought of that. But again, super easy to install. It's a really good looking part. I'm really excited to go shoot this thing and see how well it does. I should mention weight. I forgot about that. I recorded the B-roll a while ago, so I really can't. It was yesterday morning when I got the part. I believe the barrel, my stock 49 barrel weighed like 3 ounces. The True Precision weighed 4 ounces because obviously it's got more material at the end, and it had the thread protector. And the T-COMP itself with the T-nut only weighed 1 3/4 ounces. So you have a very lightweight part out there. You don't have to worry about when you're shooting, you have to have this really large amount of extra weight. And I can see where some people might like that, as the extra weight might help keep your pistol down when shooting. I see the pluses and minuses to both, but for those of you who are concerned about it being super heavy and adding a bunch of weight out there, don't have to worry about that. To be honest, I truly don't even feel it out there. This feels the same weight. All in all, it's just a well-designed part, a well-machined part, a good looking comp. But yeah, that's about it, guys. There's not much to share other than just the weight, kind of how it installs, what it looks like, because I haven't shot it yet. So I'll be doing that here soon, hopefully. It is freezing outside, and I don't have an indoor range, so shooting outside is kind of on hold for now until the weather warms up. So yeah, that wraps it up, guys. If you found this video informative, if you like the T-COMP, feel free to like the video. If you guys haven't, feel free to subscribe. If you are subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as usual, guys, take care, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.